Alright guys, this here is Melon Pan. I got this in Japan. Haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to do a quick taste test for you, see what it tastes like. As you can see, here's the Japanese writing. I don't know what that says, I don't know what the ingredients are, but let's do a quick taste test to find out. Supposedly this is supposed to be a famous thing to eat over there. So that's what it looks like, and let's do a quick taste test or a small bite of it. Okay, so it's a bun that has literally melon flavored a topping. It actually tastes quite good. Like, it tastes literally like a honeydew. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.